Hi guys, good afternoon. For today's video, I will teach you how to make adobong sitaw or sitaw in English is string beans. First, put oil, then second, garlic, and then onion. And then chicken. And a little bit of salt. And mix it. Then cover it. I already put pepper on it. And then we'll put the string beans. Next is the soy sauce. And then this one. Only 1 cube. And we will cover it. And when it's nearly cooked, we'll put little bit of sugar. No. Vinegar. And now it's already cooked. It's ready to serve. Enjoy!